Let's go.
Yep.
Righto. When we measure for our reinforced bar, we need to make sure that we account for everything. So if you just look at the engineer's details, there's quite a bit to it. So firstly, I'm going to measure the 2 layers of N12 trench mesh. So let's draw that in so we know, and then we've accounted for it as per doing our quantities. So we got, I'll just divide that up as best I can. 2 layers, as it says. And then we come over and then we cross it out. That's complete. Next one, 2 extra N12 bars. So at the bottom, we account for those here and we make sure we measure and put that in. Okay, so we'll account for those, cross it out. Next one is the SL72 mesh, slab mesh. We come in and we'll draw it in so we've accounted for it so we know we're not going to miss anything. Okay. Just space it out as best I can so we know. Once I've put that in, then we cross it out, complete. Now I'll notice I've got 2 more items to do. So I'm going to put in my Z bars. And I've measured it accordingly. I'm going to cross it out, 900mm centers. Finally are our R10 stirrups. Draw it in. And I'm looking at that picture, and that is as close as I can get to this detail. I'll cross that out, I've put that in my quantities page, and I've completed that. Thank you.